Everyone, my name is Zara, and today I'm going to show you what we're going to be cooking. So this is, what it called again?
Where?
So
Red onions.
Red onion, chicken,
Broccoli sprouts.
And,
Green onion.
and
Cabbage.
So today we're going to be making the noodles.
What kind of noodles?
I don't know.
Japanese soba?
Japanese, Soba, Japanese soba. And it's going to be fun. And you should look at the video because it's have a lot of blacks. We're going to do soy sauce and stuff. So she's about to cook it. She put the hot fire on, and she about to put the spaghetti, the pasta on. And so you're about to look about today's video. This is my grandma. This is my grandma who you've been saw all your videos. I am her granddaughter and Earth and she's my favorite. So today I came at her house so I could cook her, and we said, oh, tomorrow we're gonna make Japanese noodles. So we had started making them, and then it made me so happy and made me sit all day to my papa, and then we had started going before I took a bath. So while when I done taking a bath, I started making it. But I can't wait to make it now with you guys, and I can't wait to tell you. And click the Oh. Okay.
I don't do that. Thank you. I'll be back.
I'll be back. Guys, it's so yummy. And about this one we use
Honey.
Honey.
Instead of sugar. To mix for the sauce.
Made for a sauce.
And soy sauce. Sesame oil. Whole soy sauce. Rice wine vinegar. And some fish sauce. And then to make it thick, a little bit of cornstarch with water.
Yes, that'll be it. And this is how you make your noodles. Thank you everyone for this video today. I love you. Bye.
So Grandma wanted to talk a little bit about the blueberries. I had the picture on there where I wanted to, I had my water bottle, right?
Yeah.
And I wanted to make some
Blueberries.
Water, right?
Yes.
And smash and put blueberries in it and have my water blue. But then I noticed, I had these
Blueberries.
Organic blueberries. Right? And you think you spend money for, like if you want to buy blueberries, you say, well, I want something healthy today. And so you spend the money, extra money, and buy organic. And then when I put it in my water, I was like, why is the inside white? Why isn't the whole thing blue throughout the berry?
'Cause look.
But it's almost to the garbage, but but that's just something to think about, Zora. So when somebody say, here, this fruit or that fruit, but this one in particular is I'm talking about the blueberry.
Blueberry.
And just because it says organic blueberry does not mean
it's not blueberry.
Right. That it's not a healthy blueberry. So when you think like, I want to eat healthy today, and you go buy some organic blueberries.
And then when you get it, and somebody said you're trying to go healthy, and you're right in the diet, you have to drink. That's not healthy. Is the blueberries sound like that? Is not like this. Not healthy.
Well, all blueberries are not what we think they are.
But
so Grandma has to continue to do her research on that.
Yeah, and so what we was trying to get growing up, when I saw Grandma put it blueberry in her drink. it was being white, and she thought it was gonna turn blue, but it looked like she thought that wasn't that was going to work, and it didn't even work. So she should have
So now Grandma got to do her
research.
Right. Grandma got to do her homework and find out what type of blueberries she want to get now. Which I'm thinking about the Arona berry.
Ooh.
Is a healthier version, and I want to find out what type of blueberries that I
So
can buy.
I will ever do my blueberries if I be quiet. And I think in my head, and then if I said, "Oop," research had popped up my head, I can research it. But what are you saying again?
I don't know. You talking silly. Bye.
Hey.